Let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is I want to ask my question. So I'm going to put a space in. I'm going to say T2, which is a style I've invented myself and put into the style sheet up here. And within T2, I want to ask the question, do you want to watch a video? And a question mark. And that's all I'm going to write in T2, so then I close T2 down. So now it says, do you want to watch a video? And if I click on Preview Internet Explorer and save it, I've now got, in addition to my Humpty Dumpty, I've now got do you want to watch a video? What I also want to put in here is I want to put in a button. And the button is what I'm going to click when the person put the answer in. I also want to put in a space for them to write in the answer. And I need to decide sort of how I want to arrange those things. So what I've decided is I actually want the line and then the space and then the button underneath it. So to do that, I put in a couple of BRs to go down to a new line and then leave a blank line. And then I'm going to put in an input box, which is input, and I need to tell it, give it a name for what the person is going to type into the box. So whether they type in yes or no, I'm going to give it the name yes or no and close that up. So there's going to be an input box. They're going to type into that, and whatever they type in, I'm going to give the name yes or no so I can pass that down to my JavaScript. Next to that, leave a space again, I'm now going to put in a, screen a bit, I'm now going to put in a button. So button, and simple type of button, the button type is equal to a button. I just keep saying there are other types of button available, and this a button means just a basic simple type of button. And on click, so when the button is clicked, what I want it to do is I want it to run a subroutine, a Java program called Go. Okay, so when the button is clicked, run Go. Now what I do is I put in what I want to appear on the button, which is enter, and then I am finished with the button, and that's that. So I've said, do you want to watch a video? Put a couple of lines underneath it, and then input box followed by a button. So if I test that now, save the changes, make full screen, I've now got do you want to watch a video, a space for the person to write their answer, and then an enter button to click once they have written the answer.